How dirty is it? Is it pretty dirty?
No.
Hey guys, this is Robert. I am in front of my 2017 Toyota Tacoma, which I have coined Hardshell Taco. And what are we going to do today, Jesse?
We're just installing the premium air filter.
Yeah, we're going to change the air intake filter for our new one. The truck just turned 35,000 miles and it's time to go ahead and change it. The scheduled maintenance is 30,000 miles. So this filter I grabbed actually from Amazon. I think it was like 15-16 bucks. It's a lot cheaper, or significantly cheaper, than the Toyota one, OEM, and it seems to be pretty good. There's a lot of good reviews, and I want to check it out. And then Jesse is actually going to change the intake himself. So Jesse, let's go ahead and pop the hood and take care of it. The little unlock lever is right there, so it's safe. And then we'll prop it up. Forgive me guys, it is a little dirty, so that's one of the things I want to go over.
We're gonna rinse out this truck.
Yeah, we'll clean it out later, but let's go ahead and work on this. So the way we're gonna get this out, you see the clamps. So there's one clamp here
and the other one there,
and there's this one clamp here. You're gonna pop them out and you're just gonna lift up the cover. So go ahead and pop it off.
I'm gonna pop open those tabs. You pop them open.
Yep.
And open.
Oh, there's a lot of dust. Yep. So it unhooks. Yep.
Unhooks the things.
It clamps it out from the bottom.
And then you're
gonna get that side too. Yep.
And then we're gonna open it.
You can kind of move it around, and then I'll kind of hold it for you, and you're just gonna yank it out.
This one, yank it out.
Yep. And we can see. How dirty is it? Is it pretty dirty?
No.
That was pretty dirty. You see how it does come out?
Yeah, there's all that. There's all that dirty stuff in it.
Yeah, there it is. So, yep. What do you guys think? Time to change the filter?
Yeah, because it's all dirty. It means we have to change it. Because it's time. They said it's time to change the filter. It's time.
Oh, I think it's time to change that filter.
Okay.
Okay, so that is the Toyota original OEM filter.
We have the new one.
Yeah, so let's go ahead and take a look at it, dude.
And we're going to open this up to take a look at it. Wait, it comes with this whole thing in.
Yeah, so let's pull it out and show everybody.
I'm just showing everyone this.
Yep.
It's like a new foam.
Oops, it's okay.
I'm going to move this out. So
it doesn't actually peel out, it stays there. So I actually looked it up and I was curious what this is, Jesse.
It's the same thing.
Yeah, well, what it is, it's a filter. It's a pre-filter. But it's a pre-filter not because of dust. It actually pre-filters out snow. So when the snow flakes come in and touch it, it's not going to have a lot of water and go through the filter. So that's what that is. It actually keeps it from the filter from getting wet because it is a paper element. And that's what it is. So it's a pre-filter, but it's a pre-filter for snow. And looking at it here, let's compare it.
They're a little different.
It's a little bit different. Dimension-wise, let's pick. Dimension-wise, let's see. It looks pretty much the same as far as length, right?
Yeah.
Let's see how the width is.
They're the same.
So the width is the same on both. So we can see that. But the one thing I did notice, and you could kind of see here, maybe you could tilt it here, it's a depth. And I think it's because of that pre-filter. You know, that pre-filter is making it thicker. So let's move that here. Let's pick up the other one for me.
Okay, we're going to pick that up.
And then we'll move it kind of like right there. Kind of compare it. Yep. And that's the reason why I suspected it's that little pre-filter thing that made the difference. It does have a wiring mesh. The lines itself, I'm not going to count these guys. But they look pretty close.
Wait, one part's the line mesh things, this one's small and the other one's bigger.
And if you look at it, the waviness and stuff, oh, I don't know why these are wavy, but not straight. But there's a good amount of fins. And the only thing I can see is that these metal things, this is a little bit bigger than the other one. This foam feels, foamy. So, Jesse, here you go, dude.
You're gonna put it in?
Let's put it back in.
We're gonna lift off the cover. and recenter this back in.
Yeah, it just pops right in.
It
That's
just
pretty
fits
good.
in.
It sits right in.
And then
Looks
you
good.
align the tabs. On
So align the back tabs.
align it and tell you.
Does it feel pretty good?
No, it doesn't. So I'm gonna push this in. Let me check.
Let me come around.
I need to push this in.
Yeah, so the tabs, you can see the gap right here, Jesse, if you look at it. So,
Oh shoot! It doesn't work. Wait, I need to open. Wait, there's something blocked. I need to open the clamp.
oh, the clamp's blocking it?
Yeah. So
Is it the clamps?
Yeah, it's just the clamps. No, wait. Oh, we'll keep the clamps.
Is the clamps open?
Yeah.
So I'm pushing that back here, and then now it's pretty
Are we gonna
good.
secure the clamps on?
Yeah, go for it, dude.
Wait, I'm gonna secure.
I'll push it down for you.
Oh sure. Oh,
You got it?
and now this thing
got
won't
it?
come off.
It's pretty
The
good.
Center console in.
Yeah, it's pretty tight, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Like I said, excuse me for all the dust. We gone a few weeks ago, and it got really dustier. And actually, that's a subject I'll be talking about later, and also that battery. But yeah, that's about it, right, Jesse?
Okay.
Was that pretty easy?
It was pretty easy.
So that's about it, guys. It was quick. You know, Jesse just turned 12 a few weeks ago, right, Jesse?
Yeah, I turned 12 in about a few weeks ago.
Yeah, so he's getting bigger, and I don't know if you noticed in the videos, he's getting taller as well, and his voice has changed. So I want to say happy birthday to this little dude. He's my #1 assistant, and later in the year, we're going to have our #4 assistant in this household. So if you like this video, please hit that thumbs up, and if you have any comments or questions, please post below. All right, guys, what do you say, Jesse?
Peace out.
Peace out. High five.